A truck enters a highway driving 60 miles per hour. A car enters the highway at the same place 7 minutes later and drives 71 miles per hour in the same direction. From the time the car enters the highway, how long will it take the car to pass the truck? Let's first of all assign a variable to the unknown quantity. The unknown quantity is how long it will take the car to pass the truck. So let's let that variable be x. Right, so x represents the amount of time that it will take for the car to pass the truck from the time the car enters the highway. The next thing we want to do is to write equations that represent the problem situation. So one of the things that we notice as we read through the problem is that it involves rate, 60 miles per hour and 71 miles per hour. It involves time, 7 minutes, and we're trying to determine how long it will take. And also, both the truck and the car are going to be traveling the same distance. So we have distance, we've got rate, we've got time. So in the back of our mind, we want to recall that distance is equal to rate times time. To illustrate the problem situation, let's go ahead and draw a line that represents the highway. On the left, we'll have the entrance, and on the right, we'll have the point at which the car passes the truck. So let's think first of all about the car. We know that distance, which is not given, so we'll just write distance, d, is equal to rate times time. We know that the rate of the car is 71 miles per hour. However, we're trying to find the time that it takes in minutes. So let's go ahead and first of all convert 71 miles per hour to miles per minute. So 71 miles per hour means 71 miles per 1 hour. We know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so we'll multiply by the unit fraction 1 hour divided by 60 minutes, and the units of hours divide out, leaving us with 71 divided by 60 miles per minute. Alright, so distance is equal to the rate 71 divided by 60 multiplied by time. Well, it takes x minutes for the car to pass the truck, so distance is equal to 71 over 60 times x. What about the truck? Well, we know that the truck goes the same distance from the entrance to the place where the car passes the truck, so we still have d. But what is d equal to now? Distance is equal to rate times time. The rate of the truck is 60 miles per hour. Let's convert 60 miles per hour to miles per minute. We have 60 miles per 1 hour multiplied by 1 hour per 60 minutes. That's equal to 1 mile per minute. So the rate of the truck is 1 mile per minute. So the rate is equal to 1. And we need to multiply by the time, and the truck entered the highway 7 minutes prior to the car. So the time will be x plus 7. And this simplifies to just x plus 7. Now we can see that the car and the truck traveled the same distance from the entrance to the place where the car passes the truck. So now we can go ahead and set these two distances equal to each other. So we have 71 over 60 times x is equal to x plus 7. And then we solve this equation for x. So if you don't feel comfortable working with fractions, you might clear out the fractions by multiplying both sides by 60. So we'll multiply the left side by 60 and multiply the right side by 60. On the left hand side, the 60s divide out, leaving us with 71x. On the right side, we use the distributive property. We multiply 60 by each term. 60 times x is 60x, and 60 times 7 is 420. Take away 60x from both sides to get 11x is equal to 420. Divide both sides by 11. X is equal to 420 divided by 11. But we're asked to round the time to the nearest minute, so we use our calculator to evaluate. 420 divided by 11, and to the nearest minute it comes out to be 38. So x is approximately equal to 38. And x represents how long it will take the car to pass the truck. It will take approximately 38 minutes.